This is the Beechmont Levee, one of the Tri-State's slipperier spots during winter weather. As you can see, the road is covered with snow. Traffic is moving cautiously, but it is moving, and I don't feel like the delay is very long. The road seems to be passable if you drive slowly. It's not icy, it's just covered with snow. I'm sure there are isolated slick spots though. So as you can see, traffic is moving, and so far on the Beechmont Levee, it is pretty good going. I just slipped a little bit. I better slow down. Suppose driving with the camera not in line with the safety guidelines. See, they're passing me, so I can't be going that slow. All in all, though, I would say not a bad drive. Snow on the roads. You can definitely get through if you need to. If you don't, of course, it's best to stay home. Okay, we're continuing on Beechmont, on the Beechmont Levee. I don't want to be overconfident, but I've seen much worse. And the drive really isn't bad. Traffic is moving at a pretty good pace. The roads are now a little more slippery. As I get into Cincinnati here on the Beechmont Levee, it's packed down a little more underneath, a little icier underneath the snow. I am slipping just a little. But as I said, I've seen much worse, and this is not bad if you have to drive on the Beechmont Levee. You should be able to make it, especially if they send some more salt trucks through here in the next hour or so. Then by rush hour, it really should be clear. I need to slow down. I'm slipping. Yeah, Mr. Big Truck. Four-wheel drive. I have four-wheel drive too, but I'd rather be safe. Now, we're coming up to the exit to Columbia Parkway. I'll start recording again once I get on the parkway.